Hello, this is on the second channel. Today we're playing People Playground. I'm actually editing a video for once. Probably never gonna do that again, but this is on my second channel, so, subscribe. I don't know how long, it's gonna be, like, probably a short video, I guess. Yeah. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is, obviously, we're gonna, kill Dream. Whoops. Is this a gun? Oh, apparently it is. Haha. Okay, well, that was fast. Can Spider-Man survive a fall from this high? Apparently. Can he survive a drone being dropped on his head? Oh. Yes, he can. But he's Spider-Man, he has superhuman strength. Can he survive 1 ton being dropped onto his head? Apparently not. What about a bowling ball? Insult to injury. Anchor. Bell. Let's drop a Mario mushroom on him. That was a fire flower, but okay. And then let's just add more injury. Oh, I decapitated Spider-Man. That's just great. Spider-Man's dead. How dare you do this to Spider-Man? You okay, Spidey? Let's get him to the hospital. If that's gonna help. Let's kill Darth Vader.
Oh, hell
I feel
no.
like that's gonna do something. 1 ton. Surprisingly not dead. 1 more ton. Another ton. Another ton. More tons. Aha! You are dead. Me when Fortnite no work?